Hi viewers, welcome to our color season. Today color is yellow. Yes, yellow color base பண்ணி two activities பண்ண போறோம். பார்க்கலாமா?
Picture.
Sun, mango, dog, banana, mango, lemon,
Very good.
bus,
What color bus?
yellow bus,
Very good. These all are
bus,
yellow color.
this short, yellow color.
Very good. Good job. Ashmi, 1, 2, 3. Today is a what day?
Yellow day.
Very good. Collect the yellow things, yellow objects. Put here. Very good. Good job. Good job. Very good. This is a yellow. Okay, next one. Next. Very good. Okay, next yellow color. What is that?
Yellow.
Very good. That is yellow. Enough, Papa? That is yellow. Very good. Good job, Ashmima. All done. Say all done.
And then
Very good.
We will see you tomorrow with your new color. Bye bye.